slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? Michael with RV Stuff back here once again. And today we're going to be taking a look at a pair of Yeezy 350 V2s or Yeezy Boost 350 V2s by Adidas in the clay colorway. I'm not too sure on the release details of these. These are a UA pair, so I don't really know you know, when these are supposed to release. I don't really keep up with Yeezys too much anymore. If you guys know, let me know. But before we get into it, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, if you like what you see, drop a like on the video if you're a current or a new viewer of mine. And last but not least, turn on notifications for the channel so you're notified whenever I drop some new heat. Also, make sure to hit that link in the description and follow that Instagram. It's at iReviewStuffTV. Link will be in the description like I said. So hit that, shoot me a follow, and yeah, y'all know what's good. So let's get into it. These are from Kickze.com. These are UA, so if you see any differences from the retail pairs, there's some easy ways to find out if you're buying on the secondary market, if it's legit or not. But yeah, so these are from Kickze. Oops, took 10 years to take that piece of paper off there, but there's all the information. So Kickze.com is a website. WhatsApp is right there. Instagram is at Kickze official, and if you use the code iReviewStuff, you can save yourself $15 USD on your order. I've heard a lot of people be happy with ordering from here. I haven't had any issues thus far. Shipping's pretty quick. 1 to 3 days for processing, and then about a week and a half to actually ship to your house. So pretty simple stuff. Let's take a quick look at these shoes. I'm not gonna make this video super long. Just got home from work, and these are for a friend actually, so need to get these to him as well. But yeah, so here's the box you get. Of course, just regular 350 box. Came double boxed, so condition is awesome. A little bit of creasing, nothing major though. There's the colorway. So these are the clays. Seems to be correct. I don't know if RFID chip is supposed to come in these or on the tag on these shoes, so I don't know. Doesn't really affect me. As long as the shoes are on point, the box looks good. Don't really care too much. So it's pretty much how the box looks, colorway wise and all that. I did ask her to include the StockX stuff, so if you do ask for that, she'll happily do it. I don't know if it's done by default. I've seen some people they've had it done by default, some people haven't, but there you go. Little StockX card, little StockX sticker, and then of course you do have the paper as well. So there's all that. Throw it to the side and take a look at the shoe. So here you go. Just gonna get that little nice shot for when I post it on IG. But there you go. So you can tell these are based off of the Yeezy 350 statics. I guess they released those and now they're making the transparent swoosh on other colorways as well. So here's a nice in-depth look. Let me know if you guys see anything that is off or concerning. The boost on these is super soft and plush, like I'm barely pushing in, and super comfortable. So if you were to put these on feet, like my friend's gonna love them. There's the bottom, nice and translucent. Looks kind of like orange, kind of goes from a fades from like a darker orange to like light yellow. Then you see the back as well. Stitching looks good stuff there. I don't know exactly on like legit checking Yeezys. I'm not a fan anymore of the 350 V2s or the 350 model in general. I saw on Yeezy Mafia they posted the Turtle Dove 350s, but it's April 1st as at the time of making this video, so probably an April Fool's thing. I would not doubt it. So taking this out, piece of paper, there's the inside of the shoe. So it's like a nice clay, it's like a gray writing on the inside there. Nothing major. I'm gonna take out the insole for you guys as well. It is a typical Yeezy 350 insole. So there's a good look at the writing, font, Adidas Yeezy. There's the bottom. Size 10 to 11. These are size 9.5. These do run a little tight according to people who actually wear them. So if you want to size up half a size, might not be a bad idea. There's a little bit of like a little black piece in there. Don't know what that's from. throw that out real quick. But here's the inside. These stripes are 3M, so you can see them right there. Inside of the shoe. Putting it up to a light. There you go. You can see that it is real boost. It does shine through. So there's that. There's a stitch going down the middle, translucent stripe with some orange padding on the inside. You can see there those little holes, some aeration, I guess, even though these shoes are pretty airy in general. This material, as a lot of you know, is kind of like fish line. That's the closest thing I describe it to. But yeah, pretty dope colorway. You just got to match your whole fit to it. Basically, it's kind of hard to rock. It's not like a muted like gray or white or black shoe. It's pretty loud. Like they're called gray. So yeah, there you go. Throw that insole back in. Let me get it in there properly. Save me some time after the video. So put this back in there as well. So there's the right shoe. There's the whole shape. Looks good to me. Got the rope laces in that clay color as well. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention there's a size tag as well. So there you go. All you Yeezy experts can get a good look at these. So that's the right shoe, and here is the left with the StockX tag that I put on it. It comes undone. Sometimes it does come on the shoe, but sometimes it comes undone. Like if you ask for it, they'll just throw it in. Got that QR code. Please inspect item, all claims null and void. Y'all already know how that looks. Verified authentic. Ignore my thumbs that I've been grossly picking at. So there is the side profile of this one. Same deal, kind of looks scrunched up, but I assure you it's not. There's the inside. Adidas Yeezy, size tag.
Purchase this track today.
There you go. Let's get the StockX tag out of there. It's like getting in the way of everything. Inside, medial. Stitching. You see no loose stitch. So yeah, Kickze has been on point with their quality, man. Definitely dope. There's the back of the shoe as well. And the boost, again, super soft. You can see how the actual sole and the midsole separate. Different tones of that clay color. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Not too much else to go over. You guys have seen this model so many different times. New colorway, new Yeezy, pretty much it. Not much else to say on this. But you guys let me know your thoughts. Is it a cop for you? It was drop. I don't know. I'm not a fan, but my friend is. He asked me to order them for him, so that's exactly what I did. With all that being said, if you're new to the channel, you know what to do. If you have any questions, follow my Instagram. The link will be in the description, and DM me on there. And hopefully you guys have an awesome day. Stay tuned for more heat. Catch you guys in my next video. Peace.